Hey there, thanks for stopping by, and welcome to the west entrance of Zion National Park, as I will be taking you along with me as I drive through Zion National Park on the start of my 6th day of this trip. This 4K Ultra HD video is part of my 9-day trip out to Utah and Colorado, so be sure to check out some of my other videos if you haven't already. In this video, we will drive Utah 9, which is also known as the Zion-Mt Carmel Highway, as it zigzags its way up the canyon walls until it reaches the 5,600-foot tunnel that will take us through the mountain and onto the other side of Zion. After the tunnel, we will follow Utah 9 through some amazing scenery as we head east out of the park. This is part of my day's drive through Zion and Bryce National Parks to Salt Lake City, Utah, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss a second of it. Also leave a comment on what you thought about this video, or if you have any questions or recommendations on places I should visit in the future, as I'm starting to plan this year's adventure. I love getting recommendations or ideas from all of you, so please keep them coming. So while you're hopefully leaving that comment or hitting that like or subscribe button if you haven't already, I'm going to continue driving on Utah 9 through amazing Zion National Park. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. In the next video from this trip, we'll be driving northeast towards Bryce Canyon National Park, so make sure you're subscribed so you can join me on that adventure. But for now, thanks again for watching, and until our paths meet again, stay adventurous.